చింతూరు సబ్ డివిజన్లో 76వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకలు అంగరంగ వైభవంగా జరిగాయి. ఐటీడీఏ పీఓ అపూర్వ భారత్ జెండా వందనాన్ని నిర్వహించారు. ఏపీఆర్ కళాశాల మైదానంలో నిర్వహించిన ఈ వేడుకల్లో అభివృద్ధి కార్యక్రమాలపై పీఓ వివరాలు వెల్లడించారు. ఏపీఆర్ కళాశాలలో విద్యార్థులు కవాతు మన్యం ప్రజల గుండెల్లో చిరస్థాయిగా నిలిచిపోయేలాగా ఆద్యంతం ఆకట్టుకుంది. పచ్చదనం లక్ష్యంగా హరితాంధ్ర కార్యక్రమంలో 100 సంవత్సరాల జీవితకాలం కలిగిన మొక్కలను గవర్నమెంట్ హాస్పిటల్ ఆవరణలో నాటారు. గవర్నమెంట్ హాస్పిటల్లో మొక్కలు నాటే కార్యక్రమానికి డాక్టర్ కోటిరెడ్డి నేతృత్వం వహించారు. ప్రముఖులు, విద్యార్థులు, 4 మండల ఎంఆర్ఓలు, ఏఎస్పీలు, చింతూరు ఎస్ఐ, చింతూరు బీజేపీ మండల అధ్యక్షుడు రమణారెడ్డి, తెలుగుదేశం నాయకులు, ఇతర ప్రముఖులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Community health centers. We are providing all medical and health services including normal deliveries. 2 nutritional rehabilitation centers are functioning for SAM, MAM children and also 2 SNCUs function for 6 neonatals and infants. The government has filled all vacant medical officer posts and also specialist posts in CSC Sintur. We have focused to improve the institutional deliveries and increase home deliveries and also focus on to decrease infant deaths and maternal deaths. Under ITDA Chintur, we are having 3 ambulances, 4 108 vehicles, 4 104 vehicles, 3 102 vehicles and 6 feeder ambulances. In view of malaria epidemics and other seasonal diseases, strengthen the house-to-house surveillance, conducted 2 rounds of IRS activities, ALO operations and focal spray fogging activities. Awareness created on usage of bed nets and also conducting Friday dry day activities regularly. Education. There are 20 tribal welfare ashram schools, 75 tribal welfare government primary schools, 5 APTWR schools, 4 KGBVs, 192 MPP schools, 11 ZP high schools, 15 private schools, 2 government post-matric college hostels, 3 SC hostels, 2 BC hostels, 11 junior colleges, 2 degree colleges, totally 333 educational institutions. All tribal welfare ashram schools, APTWR schools, KGBVs are functioning in residential pattern. 90% of the SSC results are achieved in March 2024. 2 students are selected in Triple IT at Angol and 1 student at Triple IT Shikakulam. Government supplied student kits are distributed to 21,258 students of ITDA Chintur jurisdiction. Midday meal program is being implemented in 279 schools and 9762 students benefiting in the program. Mother tongue based multilingual education program is being implemented since last 4 years. Women and child welfare. Under the jurisdiction of ITDA Chintur, 3 ICDS projects working to improve the nutritional status of 0 to 6 year children, pregnant and lactating mothers through a network of 432 Anganwadi centers, which include 266 main and 166 mini Anganwadi centers. Rural water supply and sanitation. Under Jal Jeevan program, rupees 48 crores sanctioned to provide drinking water facility with individual household tap connections for 236 habitation, out of which 60 works are under progress. Under CCDP grant, 12 works are completed with an estimated cost of rupees 60 lakh. Under PM Janmam, rupees 3 crore 70 lakhs sanctioned to provide drinking water facility for 29 uncovered PVTG habitations. These work are under tender process. Panchayati Raj, total 54 priority buildings were taken up by the PRI department in 19 Gram Panchayats of 3 mandals. In addition to this, 22 CC roads were sanctioned under 6% ZP, GF and 110 road works are completed and balance 12 road works are at different stages. Electricity in 4 mandals of ITDA Chintur, 20,861 SC/ST consumer are benefit by giving subsidies of 5.81 crore. Agriculture consumer 9 hour supply shall be given during the daytime in a single spell. Under PM Janman scheme, 332 non-on-grid services and 76 off-grid services were released in PVTGs. 6 number new DTRs were erected to give load relief to other overload DTRs in Chintur and Nelipaka and Kunavaram section with a cost of rupees 24 lakhs. Tribal welfare engineering. Under BAF scheme, 12 Gokulam sheds were sanctioned with estimated cost of rupees 2 crores 64 lakhs. Under NABARD grant, additional infrastructure facilities are provided in Mini Gokulam at Rekhapalli school with estimate cost of rupees 193 lakhs. Under VDVK grant, 2 Hard Bazaar buildings sanctioned with an estimated cost of rupees 10 lakh each. Under 15th finance grant, 2 block public health unit buildings were sanctioned with an estimated cost of rupees 1 crore. Housing. The Government of India sanctioned 1116 houses under PMAY Grameen scheme with a unit cost of rupees 1.8 lakhs per each house. Houses with a unit cost of rupees 2,39,000 sanctioned to 420 PVTGs in Chintur area ITDA. Special minor irrigation in ITDA Chintur jurisdiction of this division. There are 6 numbers of MI tanks, 64 number of PR tanks and 1 number of check dams present with existing sources and serving an area quota of around 3,000 acres. In the financial year 2024-5, 9 number of works proposed under the scheme in Chintur, Punavaram, Viyarpuram and Jettamakamangal. Roads and building under Polavaram irrigation project, 5 RNR colonies with houses are being constructed with an estimated cost of rupees 88 crore. Manrega, 32,149 job cards have been given to 62,617 individual beneficiaries in 4 mandals under ITDA. 32,000 families out of 24,000 families have been provided employment. 15,74,819 working days have been provided in this financial year in all the 4 mandals of Chintur division, and 100 working days have been provided to 4,638 families so far. Velugu, under PMVDY program, estimated 56 PM JVM VDVKs and 4 PVTG PM Janmam VDVKs, 4.25 crore sanctioned by TriFed.
ఏపీఎల్ సింగూరు మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా ఎన్సీసీ అభివృద్ధిని ఇక్కడ ప్రదర్శిస్తున్నారు. ఏజీహెచ్ సోములు వస్త్రాలతోటి కూడా స్వాగతం. మొదటి స్థాయి ఐసిడిఎస్ కిషోర్ వికాసం నుండి వీళ్ళు అనేక కార్యక్రమాలని
లోపల నుంచి తీసుకోవచ్చు మనం ఎంట్రన్స్ లోపల లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపో
బాల్య వివాహాలు నిషేధం, అదేవిధంగా డ్రగ్స్ యాక్టింగ్లో కూడా చాలా ఛాన్స్ ప్రదర్శించడం జరిగింది. అక్కడ పిడి గారు దగ్గర ఉండాలి. తీసుకోండి మీరు.
జనగణమన అధినాయక జయ